In the world of YouTube, going viral is often seen as the golden ticket to fame and fortune. However, the truth is that not every creator needs to hit the viral jackpot to make a substantial income. Monetization on YouTube is a multifaceted opportunity that can thrive even without those explosive views. Whether you have a small, dedicated audience or a niche channel, there are numerous ways to generate revenue that doesn't rely solely on viral content. Imagine this. Instead of chasing fleeting trends, you focus on building a loyal community around your passions. This approach can lead to consistent income through various strategies such as affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and sponsorships. By creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can cultivate a steady stream of revenue that grows over time. Moreover, YouTube offers diverse paths to financial success, from ad revenue to membership programs. The platform provides tools that empower creators to monetize their content in ways that align with their unique style and audience. So if you're feeling discouraged because your videos haven't gone viral, remember that there is a wealth of opportunities waiting for you. With the right strategies and a commitment to your craft, you can turn your passion into profit regardless of viral fame. Understanding YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization offers creators a variety of ways to turn their passions into profits, and understanding these options is crucial for anyone looking to make money on the platform. The most common method is through AdSense revenue, which allows creators to earn money from ads displayed on their videos. Once you've met the eligibility requirements, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once accepted, you'll earn a share of the ad revenue generated from your content, making it a foundational income source for many creators. However, relying solely on AdSense can be limiting. That's where alternative income streams come into play. Sponsorships are a fantastic way to partner with brands that align with your content, allowing you to earn money through product placements or dedicated videos. Additionally, merchandise sale can be a lucrative avenue, enabling you to sell branded products directly to your fans, further enhancing your connection with them. Building a loyal audience is key to sustaining income on YouTube. When viewers trust and engage with your content, they are more likely to support your monetization efforts, whether through ad views, purchasing merchandise, or engaging with sponsors. By focusing on creating valuable content and nurturing your community, you can unlock multiple revenue streams and achieve long term financial success on the platform. The power of niche content. Focusing on a specific niche can be a game changer for YouTube creators looking to achieve financial success. When you hone in on a particular topic or interest, you attract dedicated viewers who are genuinely passionate about that subject. These engaged audiences are more likely to interact with your content, whether through likes, comments, or shares, creating a vibrant community around your channel. This level of engagement not only boosts your visibility but also enhances your monetization potential. Many successful niche channels have demonstrated that you don't need to go viral to generate revenue. For instance, channels dedicated to specific hobbies like model building, vintage toy collecting, or even niche cooking styles have carved out loyal followings. These creators often monetize through a combination of AdSense revenue, sponsorship, and merchandise sales, proving that a focused approach can yield substantial financial rewards. Moreover, the long term benefits of creating content for a targeted audience are significant. By establishing yourself as an authority in your niche, you can build trust and credibility, which can lead to more opportunities for collaboration and sponsorships. Additionally, a loyal audience is more likely to stick around, providing a steady stream of income over time. In a world where trends come and go, niche content offers a sustainable path to success, allowing creators to thrive with doing what they love. Building a community. Community engagement is a vital component of generating income on YouTube, and it goes beyond just creating content. When viewers leave comments, like your videos, and share them with others, they are actively participating in your channel's ecosystem. This interaction not only boosts your video's visibility through YouTube's algorithm, but also fosters a sense of belonging among your audience. A vibrant community can transform casual viewers into loyal fans who are more likely to support your monetization efforts. A strong community can significantly impact the sales of products or services you offer. When your audience feels connected to you and your content, they are more inclined to purchase merchandise, sign up for memberships, or engage with sponsored products. This trust translates into increased sales, as loyal viewers are often eager to support creators they admire. To cultivate this sense of community, it's essential for creators to interact with their audience actively. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and hosting Q&A sessions can help build loyalty and trust. When viewers see that you value their input and appreciate their support, they are more likely to stick around and engage with your content consistently. By prioritizing community engagement, you not only enhance viewer satisfaction, but also create a solid foundation for sustainable income, turning your channel into a thriving hub of interaction and support. Consistency over virality. In the fast paced world of YouTube, it can be tempting to chase viral trends and hopes of instant fame and fortune. However, the importance of consistent content creation cannot be overstated. Regular uploads not only keep your audience engaged, but also contribute to steady growth and income over time. When viewers know they can expect new content from you on a regular basis, they are more likely to subscribe and return for more, creating a loyal fan base that supports your monetization efforts. Many successful creators have demonstrated that consistency trumps virality. For instance, channels focused on educational content, DIY projects, or lifestyle vlogs often thrive by sticking to a regular posting schedule. These creators build trust with their audience, leading to increased watch time and engagement, which ultimately boosts their visibility on the platform. Unlike fleeting viral hits, consistent content allows for gradual growth that can be more sustainable in the long run. As you develop your content strategy, focus on quality and regularity rather than chasing the next big trend. Prioritize creating valuable content that resonates with your audience and commit to a schedule that works for you. By doing so, you'll not only enhance your channel's credibility, but also pave the way for long term success and income, proving that consistency truly is the key to thriving on YouTube. Leveraging analytics. Understanding YouTube analytics is crucial for creators looking to optimize their content for revenue. By diving into the data, you can gain valuable insights into viewer demographics and preferences, which can significantly influence your content strategy. Knowing who your audience is, such as their age, gender, and location, allows you to tailor your videos to better meet their interests and needs. This targeted approach can lead to higher engagement rates and ultimately increased revenue. In addition to demographics, analyzing performance metrics is essential for refining your strategies. Metrics like watch time, click through rates, and audience retention provide a clear picture of what works and what doesn't. For instance, if you notice that viewers drop off at a certain point in your videos, it may be time to adjust your content or presentation style. Regularly reviewing these metrics help you make informed decisions that can enhance viewer satisfaction and boost your monetization efforts. YouTube also offers various tools for tracking and improving your revenue. The YouTube Studio dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your channel's performance, including revenue reports and traffic sources. Additionally, tools like Google Analytics can help you track external traffic and understand how viewers find your content. By leveraging these analytics effectively, you can optimize your content strategy, engage your audience more deeply, and ultimately maximize your revenue potential on the platform. In summary, monetizing your YouTube channel doesn't solely depend on going viral. There are numerous ways to generate income, including AdSense revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. By focusing on these strategies, you can create a sustainable income stream that thrives regardless of viral trends. Key to this success is the importance of building a strong community. Engaging with your audience through comments, likes, and shares fosters loyalty and trust, which can lead to increased support for your monetization efforts. Additionally, consistency in content creation is vital. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and coming back for more, while a niche focus allows you to attract dedicated viewers who are genuinely interested in your content. As you embark on your YouTube journey, remember that success is not just about the number of views, but about creating meaningful connections with your audience. By prioritizing community, consistency, and niche content, you can pave the way for long term financial success on the platform. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable content and support your journey in the world of YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.